Well, good morning. I'm in the process of just finishing up my grandson's toy chest. So now I have to put some hinges on it. And I'm going to use Rockler's lid stay torsion hinges. These things. So we'll see how that works. There's two ways to install the hinges. An easy way, which is just to screw the hinge down on the surface of the back, like so. And to show you the two different methods. The first one, like I said, just sitting the hinge on the edge of the back panel. And I'm just using this as a example, but I don't have the one part attached to the lid yet, because I'm not going to use this method. Now with this method, you're going to have it uneven, the lid uneven. You're going to have a gap, the height of the hinge. Now the method I'm going to use is I'm going to mortise the back panel just enough so the hinge fits flush with the top of the panel. That way the lid will sit flush also to the box. So let's go do that. So the way I'm starting this, positioning the hinges where I like them, which is, in my case, 8 inches. Now we'll attach the hinge to the lid first. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So now to attach the hinges to the back of the box, I have the box on the side, of course. I have the lid centered side to side. I have the box on some blocks to bring it even so I can attach the hinges. So now I'm going to mortise the back plate here. And we'll just draw a line how wide I need to make the mortise. Mortise has to take into account the width of the whole plate. So let's go mortise out this piece. Well, there you have it. Installing the torsion hinges from Rockler. I mortised them in so they fit flat, and the hinges are flush up against the end of the lid. And they work okay. I even put some pads on, bumper pads. Well, there you have it. I'll put a video up of the complete build of my toy chest. Thanks for watching. See you on my next project.